Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2x power minus 3 is equals to 8 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 2x power negative 3 is equals to 8. We can write it as 2 cube. Now I'm going to divide both sides with 2. So x minus 3 is equals to 2 cube by 2 or 1 by x cube is equals to 2 cube by 2 or x cube is equals to 2 by 2 cube. Now to remove this cube side, I am going to take cube root both sides. So x is equals to cube root of 2 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.